And it's me again. The Now I want to take on revenge on the gargoyle. And I know I'm one of the best. I like to destroy anything. Before we go, I'll do a challenge. I'm here. Oh, come on. How do you even allow me? I just kill you. Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm almost half of him. I should have known. Man, maybe we should explain this later. Ooh, kind of like annoying, but this game. Oh no. It's you again, yeah, the Diamond Devil Girl. Yeah, I know. What do you want? Oh yeah, this is gonna get interesting. So, are it like the levels or something? Yeah, we are with different versions, but there's multiple of them. Even they're dating Vikings. Yeah, question. You're a lot older than him, but how are you still dating still? Are you just kissing a lot or something? Yeah, it's kind of like you love him, so we kiss him a lot of times. Yeah, this is gonna make us. Oh yeah, I played that game before. Yeah, even my dad. God, even a lemon gorgie can't even do this. Better than that thing. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's get so, my favorite company is making another version of Google. Yeah, Google could be trash. Then why not Google so much? You know, people could just bypass the system. You know, it'd have a balance. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Maybe it's an example like when you like get rid of this. Yeah, if the UK, I mean, if the, oh yeah, if the other countries are not green, well, like freedom and sun, not making it available. I'm gonna target against these countries, but for now I'm going for China. China makes like faster and cool technology. Yeah, the government have the control of this, so. With this or not? Oh, just like we used to be all the time. This and stuff. I'm going for left. Am I supposed to get none insurance? Yeah, too bad this the creator of the old creator of my so I wonder why I quit. Yeah, the devil girls in heart ace or that thing. What's it again? Yeah, fortunately. Yes. Once I'm done, I'm gonna rule the planet, take over, and get rid of you miserable. useless scouts and oh god, but the screwdriver man can stop doing this the same thing. No wait, just your mother not doing this well anymore? Yeah, sure. I do. No. I do want to put this very power system. Unfortunately, what Google does is it's always getting bad. If Google wanted to be the dumbest thing on the whole entire planet, then Google just died. Gone. Imagine if Google put us like one better apps or verify one of the best and destroyed and killed Google forever. And then everybody's angry, cause chaos. Imagine this. It need to have a balance. Otherwise people will have a war and use all the torches. Yeah, I know. Like, I heard a lot of times, like, Google's taking control of almost control. Yeah, I know Nintendo sucked already. About, TV show. My own version of censored in China is like greedy. Like, I gotta pay $1 billion and create my own version of Google. Freedom, emulators, piracy. I gotta bring it all. People don't care about I will do it. You no longer have to suffer Google's torture of the devil, or the devil side. Google's like the Grim Hey man, for now, I'm not too sure what you're doing. The only thing I'm sure about is when I mean, I have a bigger brain than that. You know, I'm I'm a bigger brain than that. And I'm the screwdriver, man. I can do better than that. More dumber than bike, man. Plus he's a moron. Guy's stupid.
Dear word game lovers, if you're noticing it's a little harder to spell words and stay mentally sharp, I recommend you to play the hardest word.
Like it. I mean me. Yeah, and I'm in the Diamond Elko. Yeah, no, we. Yeah. Punishment. If they're wanna ask everything, my location, in case I'll blow up Google to pieces. Yeah, for now the hard double girl is way more heavier. Yeah. Hey, the diamond double girl is way more heavier I guess trivia or fact. Soon Google will be gone forever. I saved the world, and I saved the entire thing. You know what I mean? Got that. And if I were correct, my YouTube channel is cool. And remember that. Times. Yeah, even which flight the times. And in key school, at school just yeah, I've mentioned this. I could be a better version of Google. The only version you can be better at is not be the coolest. What up with this? I am not the worst. Game hate me. At least it's not better than me building. feel that yeah, the hackers go away, it's just problem. I'll just do destroy the PC whenever I want, you know, I'm really comfortable. My video game would be around and that Mario since I've been scared against Python in school. Hey, leave my boyfriend alone. If you dare touch him, I will do a limited and then send your body to never exist anymore. Yeah, let's see about that. This is my computer doing slowly. Creator of my video game is not even helping. Gaming channel, my legendary channel, my ultimate channel from all of this, and I'm subscribed to it for all. And if you're one of these people, please subscribe to this channel and also comment 55 Jack Preston fan, like then Greedy 4, and also support its ideas and make it good last time. And I will be here. And please like and subscribe so I can win. And if I'm like struggling or anything, please help me. And this was my original video game. It was called the Super CG Game Life of Flip. Yeah, since the creator of my video game is not helping me. God, I need someone else supporting me. So I can have my costumes. And like and subscribed. And please support me. And I just want to please like and subscribe, and I will film more videos with you. And I will come back, and I will save this world. Get rid of evil Google, the trash app or the trash thing. But please like and subscribe so I can save the world, make freedom available, and people can do whatever they want. So please, make my own search engine. So bye.